Hello, welcome back to It's New. It's the day after Labor Day, and everybody's really, really excited.
Yay!
We got some good topics to discuss. If you are watching on YouTube, we have some stuff about that and more. So I'm Barry, and with us again is Crystal, Mordy, and Greg. Crystal, what do you got for us?
You too can find out more about YouTube.
Mordy?
Bing bong, unlike Greg's wall, Bing brings life to its SERP.
Greg?
You don't have mail. Google Trends email subscriptions are going away next month.
And I got the monthly Google Webmaster report for you, so stay tuned. Yada, yada, yada.
Okay, so we've seen YouTube SEO questions answered. So we've been seeing a few months ago, Barry reported that their YouTube ranking was being affected by various factors and variables, and the YouTube search liaison has taken to Twitter to set the record straight. And he has been answering some questions like, does the category matter to the algorithm, or does the is there a secret recipe for pleasing the algorithm, and things like do the tags matter to the algorithm, and that sort of thing. There's some things where they're saying it doesn't really matter, like on the tags, for instance. They said it wasn't that important, but in my experience, they kind of do a little bit. So they're saying, so for instance, on the tags, it says add them, but otherwise it says focus on your title. There was a lot of shout outs to making sure you have a good title on YouTube, for instance. But if you're a YouTuber or you're interested in YouTube marketing, it's worth getting stuck into some of these notes to see what it does there. Also on the YouTube front, Influencer Marketing Hub has published their YouTube marketing report for 2024. There's some great stats in here. And for instance, 44.7% of marketers are noticing improved ad performance, even with post anti-ad blocker measures. We're also seeing 43% of marketers reporting enhanced product visibility. 51% of marketers are using YouTube primarily for brand awareness. There's lots of great stats in there. So if you're interested in YouTube, there's a couple of good things that are going out right now about YouTube and how to get more visibility and whether or not it works and what works and all that stuff.
I'm just saying, you don't have to look at any of that stuff. Just watch this video. This is how you make great YouTube content.
So I'm saying, like and subscribe, smash that bell button.
Yada, yada, yada.
It's like, what are you talking about? Like, don't do what Barry does.
We can't hear you. Your
See, it's
wall
perfect
is sucking
YouTube
all the life
strategy
out of
right
you.
there.
Yeah, that's what it is. I just gave away the secret sauce. I'm not saying it again.
How come you're not wearing your shite socks hat today?
You know,
All right.
I thought I had enough background for you to make fun of it. I was correct, it turns out.
A good one. Good
I'm loving
comeback.
seeing the progress. I think I'm looking forward to the after photos.
It's going to be so cool. You're going to see it every day.
You need to do like a full reveal and like a cribs tour.
Done.
On that, Google Trends, something's going away, Greg, right?
Yes. So with Google Trends, you could sign up for email subscriptions and have that emailed to you on a regular cadence. That email service will be no longer working in October 29th, 2024. So you've got like about 2 months of that left. You can keep them on the subscription page. There is that there on Google Trends, and you can like download them, or I don't even know if you can download them. It looks like you can just keep a copy of them. If you are freaked out about this because you really subscribe to Google Trends, have no fear. You could use a RSS reader or a third-party service like Zapier to try to pull those RSS feeds into emails. So you can still make it happen, but they are getting rid of that native email update that will go right to your inbox. So if you relied on it and looked at it all the time, trying to see what's hot, what's going on, like I do with the White Sox, making news, you're going to have to reconfigure that if you want to keep going with Google Trends.
I think also like this is just Google cleared out the servers. They're like anything we don't need. Like it's like they're like Marie Kondo right now. Like does the spark joy? Like
I will
Yeah.
say there's some people who are not happy about this because they said the RSS feed doesn't have the same level of detail and granularity that the email subscription does. So if you are using the email subscription, definitely get these RSS feeds set up quickly because maybe you'll be able to configure them in some way or another to get everything you need from that RSS feeds. I'm a big RSS. I hate emails, so everything is RSS for me. So hopefully that will be better for you because then you just get it when you want it as opposed to getting push stuff constantly, which is annoying. But we'll see. Hopefully this change won't hurt too many people. On the Bing Knowledge Panel side or feature snippet side, I think we're getting some new features there, Morty.
Yeah, so this was spotted by somebody on X, probably someone side AK. No, this was Knuschel Ben. I give up.
And also Frank Santman. He's like
sorry.
He follows the
Yeah,
closest
Frank
to-
Salmon also saw this. It's basically the table of contents on the left-hand navigation. They are now interactive, so they'll pop up a little bit, and as you move from one item to the next, the page or the page element will slide over. The knowledge panel will slide over. This is like whatever. Okay, I just wanted to cover this story because the Bing SERP is mad cool, and it deserves more respect than we give it.
Some people think cool is a little bit too distracting. I mean, if you look at Greg's background, that is cool and simple and not so distracting.
very
Whereas you look at-
demure.
Right.
Very mindful.
Greg's like an HTML website with no JavaScript.
Yeah. Effective, simple, loads fast.
Fun.
Echoey. No, I'm kidding.
You should see the conversion rate, Morty.
But you're right. Yeah, Bing does a lot with their interface, and sometimes it can be a bit overwhelming. But you know who else does a lot with their interface? Google. I posted the Google Webmaster report. I covered a ton of Google user interface changes, tons of them, tons of Google algorithm updates and stuff like that. So if you were sleeping the past month, because I know there are a lot of people who take off the whole entire summer and don't work at all in the summer.
They're called Europeans.
Yeah, I don't understand how that works. Like, how do you what if people just like not work? How do people get food on the table? I don't understand.
People
I
just
asked
be
that
like,
question. I got beaten up on Twitter. I'm like, how do you take off for 2 months? They're like, you don't understand. We don't need to work. We have to have relaxing time. I'm like, sorry.
You remember when you advocated that SEOs work on Christmas and like the internet destroyed you?
I don't remember. The internet destroys me a lot, so I don't really remember that one. So, I don't know. But again, if you were off for the past month or so, I do try to catch you all up in this big Webmaster report, which I post monthly. And I call it the Webmaster report, even though Google just says Webmaster as a term is extinct. I'm going to keep using it because I'm an extinct person. So
You're a dinosaur.
I am. There's a dinosaur right over here.
is
See
it
it?
3D printed?
Looks like the Chrome dinosaur.
Oh, I see the dinosaur. I thought you just like thought your finger was a dinosaur. I'm like, that's your finger, Barry.
It's an idea. You can paint it on your wall, Greg.
Ooh, is that a Brachiosaurus, Barry?
On that, let's end this while we still are a little bit ahead. I think the downvotes are going to be crazy. It's because of the European comment and my dinosaur.
I don't think it's a slight that Europeans take the summer off. They just do. It's just facts. People just do.
I just don't understand how the world works when everybody takes off for this. Like,
I don't
Social
either.
safety net.
I don't either. I feel like if I take like a few days off, it's like
That's because no one in America takes any time off. But if everyone takes time off at the same time, like it makes no difference because there's no one to reply to your emails anyway.
I send people emails. I don't know.
In
Because you're
Europe,
not
they work
off.
the rest of the year also.
Yes.
Oh, this is going to be bad. All right, we're going to end it here, Morty.
shout
Thank you
out
all for
Europe.
listening.
Love you.
We do love you, Europe. Aren't Crystal? You're in Europe, right?
I
Not anymore.
England would have something to say about that. I live in the
okay,
UK.
yeah. I don't know. Political politics.
Apparently.
All right, everyone.
More
Again, now
downvotes.
I'm sending all London. I'm sending all of England. I'm sending everybody. I got to stop right now. All right, I'm done. Bye.